Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can edit your PDF files offline. But before that, do subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. Now coming back to the topic, as we know that there are lots of tools online available nowadays, but if you have some sensitive information in your PDF, then it's better to edit those PDF offline. For that, I have found a software known as PDFgear. All you have to do is open it, and here you can see there are lots of options. We can even convert our files to PDF, or we can convert PDFs to different file type. For example, here we can convert them into Words, Excel, etc. Even we can merge and split our PDFs. There are other tools also that you can clearly see here. But for today's video, I will show you how you can edit the PDF. For that, you have to just click here, select your PDF that you want to edit, click here, open, and it will open the PDF. As you can see, this is a small PDF. It's a demo I have created. And at the top, you can see all the options that is provided. For example, here I have comments where you can, read and mark, highlight your text, etc. And here is the edit options. Here we get lots of editing options. For example, we can edit text, objects. We can even add text to its signature. If you want to add, you can add that too. And now to edit, for example, I want to edit this paragraph. To do so, I have to just click this and it will create a border around the text where we can edit. So for example, let's say I want to edit this part. So I will click here and write the planet Earth. So one thing that I found very useful in the software is that it maintains the font size and the font that is used in the original PDF. So it's very easy for us to change without thinking of the fonts or the size of its. If you want to edit the paragraph, or we can edit like this. And if you want to edit the header file, we can also edit easily. And once you have edited, you have to click this save file that is at the top left corner. Click save and it will save the file. Then you have to exit this editing by clicking this exit editing button. Once you click, see, now you have your file edited. And there are other options too that you can check it out. But for now, this is, I think, enough. And yes, that's how you can change or edit your PDF offline. And that's it. Thank you.